Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Robinhood outside the US. But before we start, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our tutorials. And now let's get into it. Now you might not even find the Robinhood app if you search for it on the Play Store, or you might find it but it's going to tell you that the app is unavailable on your region. So what you're going to need to do in this case is get a help from NordVPN. NordVPN is a top choice among streamers, offers fast and reliable connections, encrypting your traffic and shielding your IP and virtual location, ensuring a safe and private online experience. Now, if you want to use NordVPN, all you have to do is click onto the link that I left you in the description down below, and it's going to take you to NordVPN's official website, just like this. From here, all you have to do is press onto the Get NordVPN button, and it's going to take you to this page. From here, you want to choose which plan suits you well, whether it is the Basic, Plus, or the Complete. And you can see the features of every plan here underneath. Now, once you get a plan, you will be able to download the NordVPN app that is compatible with your browsing device. In this case, it's your mobile device. And then go ahead and choose a US IP address. After that, you can open up your web browser, look for Robinhood app, and you're going to find multiple sources to download the app from, whether it is Softonic or website or the Play Store. Download and install the app and then sign into your account, and you will be able to successfully use Robinhood app with NordVPN, even though you're outside the US. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you found it useful, and see you in the next one.